In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Messenger to your Facebook business page. By the end of this walkthrough, your page visitors will be able to contact you instantly through the Messenger button right on your page. First, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Once you're logged in, head over to your Facebook business page. You can do this by clicking your profile picture in the top right, choosing See All Profiles if needed, and then selecting your business profile or page from the list. When the page opens, you should see your cover banner at the top, your profile picture, and the main navigation tabs like Home and About. Underneath the banner image, look for a row of options, including a small icon with 3 horizontal dots. This is often called the More or Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a drop-down menu with different settings and tools for your page. From this drop-down, find and click on the option labeled Action button. This is the button that appears on the front of your page, usually on the right side under your banner. It might currently say something like Follow, Call Now, or Learn More, depending on how it was set up before. We're going to change this to a Messenger button. When the Action button settings open, you'll see an option to Change button. Go ahead and click on Change button. This will bring up a list of possible actions your button can perform. In this list, look for the option that says Send Message. This is the one that connects directly to Messenger. Click on Send Message. If you manage multiple messaging options, make sure it clearly indicates Messenger, not WhatsApp or another chat tool, so your messages route correctly. After selecting Send Message, you'll usually see a confirmation screen or a short setup preview. Here, just click Next to move forward. This is Facebook's way of making sure you're happy with the action you've chosen. Finally, on the last screen, click on Save. This applies your changes and updates the button on your page. Give it a moment to refresh, then look back at your main page view. You should now see a Send Message button under your banner. At this point, your customers can tap that button and start chatting with your business instantly through Messenger, making it much easier for them to reach you and for you to respond quickly.